What you think about the battles?
Fire. Fire. The battles were fire. I feel like these need to continue. They will slowly grow as a culture. Hopefully very soon the United States passes this as like freaking Olympics or something.
Who would you battle internationally?
Woo! I would battle a Charlie Clips merely because he's one of my favorites. I would take on the B Magic. I fucking love B Magic.
The king of punchlines.
Yeah, god of punchlines, man. Fuck. And maybe like a MURDA MOOK. I'd go there. I'd go there. But that's if I could battle. I'm out.
Fire, fire, fire.
Human, now get the hell out my way or face God's ruin. See, I'm a clown of refused features. Dude, see us as a different hybrid. New Prius, deoxyribonucleic acid, nucleus. I got a beautiful mind, baby. True genius. Top of the morning, a different hustle mode. I came back as a gladiator. Russell Crowe, rip rappers to shreds, nigga. Muscle show. Hot what material rap, nigga. Dumbledore. Now what more do they want from me? I could do this all year, no one gonna come for me. Bunch of whack rappers, can't none of them humble me. Thorough with the shit that I've been airing in my rhymes. Mumble free. See, 2 decades, a few essays. I've been ghosting out the pack like I'm loco. New Hefe. Top button, what it do, essay. Man, I learned to kick the ball straight up the park. I'm the new Pele.
Let's get a few wins for you.
One more.